What a nice day to have a cup of tea. Do you agree, girls? Aha! Okay, what do we have here?
Wow, Sammy, what mad company you have.
Merry Pleasant, why is a raven like a writing desk?
Wait a second, that sounds familiar.
Will you have some more tea?
But I haven't had any yet.
Or you might have forgotten.
Sammy, the last thing we need here is the Mad Hatter.
I beg to differ. To the craft table! Wow, it's like the Hatter's dwelling.
Hi, guys. Today we're gonna turn an ordinary L.O.L doll into the Mad Hatter.
We're all mad here. I'm mad. You're mad.
Jokes aside, Sam, it seems to me that I've lost the doll. It was just here, I swear.
Huh, I think I know where to find her. Wait a sec. Do you mean this fine lady?
Oh, thanks, Sammy. We'll start with the face of the doll. We just need to clean her face to prepare it for further work. Don't worry, my dear. Soon we'll give you a new makeup job. No worse than this one.
So check this out. Who do I resemble? Hop, hop, hop.
I think everybody notices your gorgeous hat. You're cosplaying the Mad Hatter from Wonderland, right?
And you're almost right. My Hatter is from the Batman story. Haha!
Wow, sounds interesting. In the meantime, we're done with the doll's face. Now we can take care of her hair. Be careful with the scissors, guys. And don't worry, our doll won't be bald for too long.
Do you know the most interesting thing about the Batman's Mad Hatter? He controls the minds of his victims with special devices hidden in his hat. Wait, where's my hat?
No way! He sounds like a real supervillain. Now we'll hold the doll's head in hot water to melt the glue and remove the remaining hair.
Actually, Sue, I can control minds too. I can prove it. Ahem. Sue, you wanna make me a sandwich?
Sammy, go away. We've got a lot of work to do. It's time to fulfill my promise and create new amazing makeup for our doll.
Ooh! Sue, you're lucky to have me. Let the professional makeup artist do the job.
Hey, this was in my purse. Guys, never take things without asking.
Did you figure out exactly what you're gonna draw?
I've decided to take inspiration from Tim Burton's movie. So, she needs really big, mad eyes.
Ooh, makeup is always so much fun!
You don't say.
Don't you think that the March Hare is as mad as the Hatter?
Okay, we're all mad here. I remember that.
Sue, did you know that the phrase mad as a Hatter has existed since the 19th century?
That's news to me. Do you remember, guys, that in Tim Burton's movie, one of the Hatter's eyelids is red and the other is blue?
Maybe we should do the same! Ooh, it's coming along really well.
There we go.
Sue, and what about the lips? Are we gonna use a pencil or a pen?
We'll color the lips using red paint, like we did with the eyelid. Carefully, like this. It's important not to make any unnecessary stains. We can always fix it, but it's better when things work out on the first try.
I can do it even with my eyes closed.
Don't talk the talk if you can't walk the walk.
Oh yeah? Move aside. I'll show you. Ta-da! Hey, where did the doll go?
Sammy, I already finished everything. Do you like the makeup, guys? If you think that it's amazing, give us a thumbs up.
Don't go anywhere. So many interesting things are coming up in a bit.
Hey, Sammy, what's up?
You know, Sue, I don't think the hat can fix it.
What do you mean?
This bald spot. It doesn't fit the character.
Sammy, we can fix it, and you know how.
You're right.
Oh?
Here, I've got everything.
Whoa, let me see. Wow, you've unwound and cut the yarn. Great.
I thought you needed my help. What's next?
We'll make her hair colorful, too.
Are we gonna sew the yarn to her head?
Something like that, Sammy. Like we've done it before. Be very careful at this stage, guys.
Huh, it looks like we're gonna need more yarn. I'm on it.
By the way, guys, you can ask an adult to help you. Crafting together is always fun. And take your time.
Sue, I was wandering around and I found one little bottle in the kitchen. Look, it says drink me. Should I?
Do you really think it's a good idea?
But what could go wrong? Plus, I already kind of drank it. Oh, what a curious feeling. I think I'm growing.
Who are you trying to trick, mister?
At least you laughed.
They say laughter makes your life longer. So thank you, Sammy.
Sue, could you do me a favor?
Sure thing.
Can you please speed up? I can't wait to see the results!
Neither can I.
It's time to use slime magic then. I call it Speed Up Sue. Do you like it?
I love it. Let's do it.
Wow, Sue, that was amazing. Support our Sue with a thumbs up, guys.
We're almost finished. Now we need to brush the yarn thoroughly. Check out her cool hair.
Are you ready, guys, for your hairdresser masterclass?
Oh, we don't have time for that right now, but craft magic will help. Yay! Great. By the way, in ancient Rome, people curled their hair with iron tubes.
Did you say iron?
No, I didn't mean that. Anyway, we are done with the haircut. Now let's move to the most interesting part.
Now you're talking. Let's carry on.
Woohoo! We're at the finish line, guys.
That means it's time to dress her up.
That's right. We are so out of time, but craft magic will come in handy. And a piece of fabric turns into a stylish jacket.
Shiver me chatters, I could wear this.
We'll make one for you after the craft if you want.
Deal.
Guys, have you watched our doll makeovers? If not, I strongly recommend it.
So now let's dress up the hatter.
Oh dear, I shall be late.
Looks like we really made it, but we're still missing something. Where was it? Sue, I can't find the stand.
No worries. I think you should search in the teapot.
The teapot? That's not funny, Sue. Oh, here it is. There you go.
I'm glad that you're always so helpful.
I'm on my way. Ah!
The Hatter is famous for his mad tea party, so we can't do it without a teapot and some cups. Be careful, my dear. Try not to break them.
There should be something else. I don't know. Why are you staring at me like that, Sue?
I think your hat is just what we need. Come on.
Hat? This one?
Yep, I'll take it.
Okay, I'm always here for a good craft.
Guys, check out this hat. It's incredible, am I right? Okay, there you go. Perfect fit.
Sue, before we show her off to our viewers, let's check everything. First, the shoes, the pants, accessories, lots of them, a jacket, and of course the hairdo and makeup, my favorite.
Check, check, and check. Sammy, she's all set. We can start.
All right, I'll go put on some tea then.
Our doll looks just amazing. Do you agree, guys?
Take one look and you'll absolutely fall for her, just like I did. I don't see my cup.
Choose any, Sammy. We have enough tea.
The more the merrier, huh? But the Mad Hatter is sitting in my spot, accidentally, apparently.
Sammy, it's time to get used to the fact that this Mad Tea Party is now hosted by the real Mad Hatter.
Oh, well.
Guys, if you liked our craft today, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss our next video. Bye-bye!